What is up, everybody? This is Matthew with 2 AM Country, and today I am going to finish that monster of a bench. I'll let the car drive by, because cars. Anyway, so I have got to get the sides done on this bench, and it weighs a ton. I needed something extremely sturdy, and I'll tell you what, this bench is definitely sturdy. Let me give you a look here. This is what I have so far. The bench is upside down. I have all the 2x4s put in line, just like so, in another car. Not really liking where I'm videotaping. Anyway, my 2x10s are along the sides. I have got to get a 2x10 along here and one on the other side. Then I have to get the legs put up. They're going to be 33 inches. They're going to be those 4x4s that you see sitting over there. When I say a monster of a bench, this is definitely overkill. Extreme overkill. I like it because I could beat on it with a hammer. If I wanted to, I could sit my truck on top of it, and I don't have to worry about it going anywhere. I could put my handle on it. I could put my children on it. I could dance on it. Hell, I could have my wife dance on it if I wanted to, and it's not going to break at all. Nope. Probably delete the whole wife thing. Babe, I didn't mean it in that manner. I'm not. No clue what I'm doing at all. I have never worked with wood before. Y'all just do not know how hot it is out here. My goodness. Must be 100 degrees. It's 89, 92-ish, something like that. But it feels like 100 degrees, man. Feels like 100 degrees. From New York, this hot weather's killing me, man. I miss the snow. So what do you guys do for your first projects? You guys ever remember anything that you did first? Like, I don't know, flown a plane or something? Because this is, to me, is about like flying a plane. I lost my pencil. The pencil. The pencil. Like, the only pencil I had. And I lost it. I don't want to use anything else, man. And it's hot. It's hot. It's just massively hot. Why is it so hot? What did I do with that thing? And over here, on the ground. Why is it that when I walk out over here, I go and say, look, the sun. Drop it on the ground here somewhere. It's like right on my neck. Why? Alright, that's enough dramatization for now. What did I do with the pencil? Everybody, so I finally got it finished, and as soon as I was moving around, I found my pencil. That's the thing that I was looking for like 15 minutes during this whole thing. It was on top of my grill the whole time. So, finish the table. Here she is. This thing is sturdy, solid, and it is not going anywhere at all. I mean, I can get up on it, move around. It's not rocking. Well, it's not rocking too much. There's still some play in it, but I mean, that could be the concrete, or I was just off a little bit on my cuts, but not bad for my first table. I think it looks beautiful. It's got this good, awesome industrial look to it. These big old bolts sticking right out of the face of it. I think I did pretty good. That is not bad. Now what I'm thinking I might do eventually in the future, I might try to go ahead and sand this stuff down, make it all nice and neat maybe, or I'll just say forget it and just stain it, do something crazy, try to finish it and make it look really good. This is going to be its permanent home for right now, without the OSB in the back. That's actually going to be used for a shelf on the bottom of it, but I'm done with this table for a long time. Now we can get to some other stuff that I was thinking I was going to do. Some other hobby videos. Now, somebody gave me this awesome drill press. It's kind of cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but we can figure it out. Eventually, I'll find something to do. Not sure what. Maybe make knives. Oh, I did want to show you guys something. If I could find it. Yep, right here. So, I made this a couple weeks ago. It sucks, I know, guys. You're probably going to say a whole bunch of bad stuff in the comments, but you know what? I don't really care. All 13 of you who watch my videos. But this is my very first file knife, and I think it turned out really well. I did the entire thing with a hand grinder, and I might do some things like this in the future. Maybe, possibly. Because you know how YouTube gets with their monetization and taking videos down off the internet. But if you guys stay tuned, my next video coming up is going to be something really special. Something that I got a while ago, and I have taken some pictures of it, but have not done a video. And I'm going to do a video on it here pretty soon. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Get this videos out there. Show everybody. Pass around on Facebook, on Instagram. Hit me up on Twitter. We're back on Twitter again with all the other trolls, because that's what we like to do. I'm not getting into that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed making this table. I really want to do some more of this stuff in the future. I think it was kind of cool. So, hope you guys have a great day. And remember the Second Amendment, because this is your 2 a.m. country. Ah! It's not safety.